Well, for me, customer success is about putting the customer as our number one priority. We have a very well trained customer success representative to assist customers with their license and their renewal needs. So our goal is actually to increase our customer satisfaction and retention. So this is where I come on board because I will be the person to actually train this customer success representative. I joined Veeam in 2016. I was the first renewal reps hired in Kuala Lumpur office. I have my seniors based in Europe that time. After 2 years, I was actually promoted to become a senior renewal representative, and which is already changed. The title has changed to become a customer success representative. Last year, after 5 years, I was becoming a customer success. I was being promoted again to become an onboarding specialist. As a person that sometimes you cannot be criticized, so you need to be ready for that. You need to be ready to be assist, to be informed, to be told. Some people cannot take it. So if you are that kind of person that you are ready to learn, you are ready to be a good person in you, then yeah, that's about it. Well, I always recommend people to work with Veeam because I wouldn't be here if I don't like to work in Veeam. So for me, what you need when you work, you need a good people, you need a good environment, you need a good you feel like you have a bright future here in Veeam. I never thought that I would become an onboarding specialist, but yeah, here my dream came true. Sounds good? Let's connect.